Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a custom map and some of the backend features of GeoWire. This is the standard demo map and we're already logged in, what you can see here. So let's go to the backend, GeoWire admin. This is the demo admin. We can see the demo map and the demo map simple. And now we want to create a copy of the demo map, so click on demo map and copy. Let's call it screencast demo, and here also screencast demo for the web address. That's important. Don't forget to copy the children and submit it. So now here we have a new map called screencast demo, and if we go to that map, we have exactly the same map as the standard demo map. Now let's try to customize it a little bit. We could edit the logo, switch off development state. Let's try that later. Okay, let's start with the tree panel. This on the left, where you have two overlay folders, Austria and worldwide data, and the base map folder. You can see it here from the tree panel on the children tab. There it is, Austria, worldwide data, and base maps. Worldwide data of has four children illustrated. That's the same like here. So you could, for example, just move the clouds on top and completely delete Austria. Let's reload it and see the changes. So you see Austria is gone and the clouds are on top of worldwide data. You could also let the worldwide data start collapsed. So you just have to set one JavaScript variable expanded to false. Save that, reload, and now you will have the folder collapsed. You could do the same with the base maps. Let's do some other stuff. Let's, for example, start with the tree panel collapsed. That's a little bit different. You have to make some adjustments at the very end of the loading. We can copy that and then move it to our screencast demo. As I said, it has to be at the very end of everything. Now we can edit it. And here you see tree panel set height 100. We don't need this, but we can say tree panel collapse. I don't know if this is right. Let's try it. Yeah. Okay, so it collapsed the layers tree panel. Yeah. So when you don't know it, you can look it up at geowire.org, and this is all in the XJS documentation. So I've already opened the panel section. You could also look it up here. Panel would be the same. And there we have all the methods that are available. In our case it was the collapse method. We just did the collapse on the on this panel that has the layer tree in it. So we could also remove some of these tabs, because, for example, we don't need the search. So let's go to screencast demo in the backend, and that's all under the layouts tab, because that tells GeoWire everything about the layout. Here you see we have the map panel and the west panel. The map panel is all in the right side of the screen, and the west panel is all on the left. And here you see the west panel is thereafter divided. No, here the west panel is divided in a north, center, and south section, and the north section again has 3 children with the logo, tree, and search. So here we have logo, tree, and the search. In the center there's the details panel, and in the south is the legend panel. So let's go to the details panel. The details panel is a tab panel, and it comes from Next.js. Okay, we don't see it here. Let's go back to center. Details panel is a tab panel, and these are all the tabs you see here: cohorts panel, search panel, and so on. So let's remove the search panel, the second one. Just click on it, delete, and you're good. You see the search panel is gone, and let's say we also don't need maybe the info panel, so we can also delete the feature info. And just for demonstration, I could move the draw panel right to the top, and draw panel is on top. The search input is also not needed, it's north, so we can also delete this. And yeah, actually we could completely delete the south region, because we don't want to have the legend with some stuff in it. Reload, and here we are. Okay, another thing that is really easy to do is to change the buttons of these, how's it called, toolbar. So again, here under the layouts tab you have the west panel and the map panel. We discussed the west panel, and let's head over to the map panel with the map panel toolbar. And here are all the buttons. You see the toggle button, open, save. Toggle, open, save. Then there is this button to divide it from the others. We can delete, for example, the open button and the save button, so we don't need to divide it from the others. We can leave the cursor, zoom, draw, measure. Let's remove the draw button. And for example, we could put the measure button to the right instead of these 3. Let's delete 1, 2, 3, and just move this one top of the measure button, so the measure button gets rendered to the right. So here's the measure button and the Okay, let's say we want to change the text of the help button. How is this done? If you go to edit, you will see the help button gets its code from buttons help button inc. So go to your editor, and in your file structure there is a demo site. Demo, here we are, this is our demo, and you have all in your site templates. GeoWire include. There you have the buttons, the HTML layers and the panels. So we want to see what is inside the help button inc file. Here you have the message of this modal window, and here we could change this to demo. Save it and see the changes. Here we are, demo. Actually, you don't need to do that via your editor. You could also copy the code from the include file directly into this field, code to be included directly within PHP. This is the exact same code. Now we can call it demo2 and save it and reload the page. Now we have demo2. So what's the difference between this? Let's copy the help button. Let's call it help button 1 and edit it. So we can say demo 2.1. Save it. What happened? We have two buttons. The first one is demo 2 and the second one is demo 2.1. So if you want like a global button, as we had it with the help button, for example, if you have a telephone number and that changes, you don't want to change it on every map you have. So you could take your help button that includes the code from one file and put that button on every map. Where it is, help button, copy. Let's call it help button global. And move that one to the screencast demo layouts, map panel, toolbar. Here. Reload. So we have demo 2, demo 2.1 and GeoWire with the version number. There is a test. I want to remove that. So for the global settings, you have to go to the buttons, help button. There it is, the test. 1 second. Just to show you the difference. GeoWire demo. Here we also have the global help button, and here also is the test that we want to remove. So go to the code, remove the test, save it and upload it, and reload the map. Here we are. Test is away, and from our screencast demo map, reload it, and the test is away. So that's the difference between directly inserting the code in this field or including it from a file. Of course, you could have also done this with these shortcuts. Here you have added toolbar, the map panel toolbar with all its children, toggle button, cursor button, and here our help buttons. Let's remove the global help button and help button 1. And again, you only have one help button here. I hope you got a quick insight to GeoWire and you liked my video. Any feedback is very appreciated.